Oke, assalamualaikum, Sampurasun. Saya Irmansyah dari Majalengka. Kalau kemarin itu saya mengikuti Indonesian Idol, dan sekarang saya akan ikut di ajang American Got Talent. Semoga aja semuanya suka, dan kepada warga Majalengka khususnya dan umumnya kepada warga plus 62 agar mendukung saya dengan cara subscribe channel Hanjuang TV. Motivasi saya ikut American Got Talent ingin membuat warga plus 62 khususnya dan umumnya seluruh dunia agar bisa tersenyum. Sampurasun, amang-amang, ece-ece.
Hello, what's your name?
Abdi Irmansyah. Abdi di Majalengka. Apal Majalengka? Di Majalengka mah seueur pariwisata. Curug. Curug Sawer, Curug Maja. Aya terasering Panyabuyan, Curug Pasabo, Ciluncat. Masih seueur nu sajana bilih bade amang bae ka Majalengka. Mohon mira ongkosna.
Singing for most of your life.
Mohon bade nyanyi. Nyapir aku di dia macul nyanyi atuh.
Okay, I presume it didn't work out.
Bukan bae emang urang ngobrol ka mana, mama ngobrol ka mana.
Well, listen, Johnny, I really hope this works out for you. Good luck.
Thanks. Okay.
Dina hate kuring anjeun cici, dina hate anjeun kuring cici, bener-bener henteu bisa ngeja dibeungkeut ku tali dunia. Sanajan loba nu daratan pating kuriling nyangat lawang, pating kaletro kana panto hate, tapi ku urang teu dipalire. Duria teu bisa digantian ku rupa, duria teu bisa dilian ku harta, duria teu bisa diaya-aya, duria tatangan teu kapaksa, dikoretkeun dina hate ti dituna, digugatkeun dina rasa ti dituna, dibuka dibaca ku urang duaan, dijaga diriksa pinuh rasa kahenang.
Mel, let me go to you first.
Oh my gosh, you are so powerful. And man, and I know you've had a journey to get here, but thank you for showing up.
Hatur nuhun ya, Cik.
Heidi.
Gosh, this is not what it sounds like when I sing that song in the shower. You are incredible.
Hatur nuhun.
Little shy Johnny's really a diva.
Thank you.
And I want to see a bit more of that.
Okay.
Yeah, but what's great about you is you are somebody who can nail and sell a song.
Hatur nuhun, hatur nuhun, hatur nuhun.
Now we are going to have to vote. Let me start with Howie.
You're not going to be surprised by my answer. It's a yes for me.
Loved it. Yes.
Heidi.
Of course you're going to get another yes from me. Yes.
Hatur nuhun.
And well, you are going through with 4 yeses.
Hatur nuhun, hatur nuhun. Hatur nuhun sadayana. Mangga. Teng.